And I want to watch it. And this a minute, we be saying, "Catch."
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Right, Okoman 97.1. Et bien sûr, c'est Atenase. Et Okoman Global Sports. And then bien sûr, bah bidon comment. Na Osha Brenna, c'est ma mien ça boit pardon ko 3 minutes past 1. Na unu sene ye ne dada. Ane sene ya debia ye no. Eno na nesi ya to so. Ago kensi emu nsemo etwegu wiase afanan. Say Ghana ha. Ebi brem. Ana fensi na manene ye transna fensi di hun komo. Nene sempe nene ye ba be she. When you say no, the UEFA Champions League game say to me, Koso. Now say easy. Chelsea the Blues. Chelsea soon to me for game of Stamford Bridge. The veterans near the results in Inapa. Samson and the match Saka with the round of 16. Of the UEFA Champions League, and also the fixtures in the English Premier League outstanding games and never to draw. If you man and a pie, fish to be to me to so. Na and prophet here, and also real friend is here. On why and consini or Ghana ha, and pan football or someone come papa. Or in some day to draw. O Chirema World Cup qualifier no. Ghana ni Super Eagles of Nigeria be bono. Who bibi. E dey na see hu. Tamu kuchu ye de ni nyina ba. For an able to join you live on Facebook. Join you live on Facebook. Okoman Radio 97.1. On Facebook, sounds on YouTube, your Okoman Radio 97.1, Instagram, Twitter, at Okoman 971. On Subetuma joining live, no monitor Jumediano. Sign to Betumi to Ajin Chedi Apa. Ewa WhatsApp, and I think on SMS. Number near 0551 667755. And at 0270-191-971 for Ajin Chef Abra, UEFA Champions League. And a team near solid executive producer, Dera Kofi Anton Parfor, KB, head of sports, stroke producer extraordinaire, Bob and 7 years on Jamai, Nana Kofi Okori Achaman. supported by DJ Sikipi, Jonesy, Tony, DJ Vibes, alongside Jeff Ekufu Boateng. Amo Boma Jumedi and Akoso. Writer commentator Ofia. Refisem Papa. And also writer one Sam. See and Sam on the Papa. Grobia Santin so and Chobe joining. Na fins yet in Como. Na not time ya. Channel Brigo sa. This the one so poor chidom. Na counterpart ni. Yes, I on Saturday. Why? Enter me dinner and I Kwame Amponsah Addi. With my friend AK. Let's say we are both fire in India gum. Nothing here in Samna Pa. Enter no yellow corner fence and a man and Sam. And also to my pa. Right now, just out the anthem where I just say UEFA Champions League. Ne ampere beja enra matches and also to me koswa and ye chana fence na manane sam no yet to me adini nyina pass na me kind join live on Facebook na fence so sam nyina onso watime nya biate na fence wo nya biacha dia ye konezigi suba be kisho say Facebook no so betwa gu na fence no ni amatime akoso straight away ye be sha see there for the English Premier League no mo onu say na outstanding games no and so betuma to 20 EPL no and the matches betuma to Jano enya sem kuma kopie mu enso ediatef mo no eya Burnley 7:30 enso any Tottenham enso betuma boa and also no enya fedi across Samson na Victory Road no Watford etna fe 7:30 no so na eya Bobo Kwani den Crystal Palace etima bo referee den Andre Marina and no so mpanyfo etuma pa na okwana fe so no watimi akwa check game no so na bibia so no etimi aye kama na kopie mo Anfield dia na it's a Liverpool you will never walk alone team no and so etna fe na fe so no oni Bobo Kwani den Leeds United and so etima bo referee den so na Michael Oliver on the name mpanyfo pa na ono so kwa gem na wato ayirem and so dem asa game no etise no so se na English Premier League no outstanding games makoma komiensa and no so etotwa ewo England enya fedi agro na ye fi England and I say EPL no mo na fe so no ye nkopie mo the UEFA Champions League teniye UEFA Champions League and no other matches no me no etime koso na just say enya fedi agro na kopie mo and so Estadio de la Ceramica dia na just the Yellow Submarines Villarreal and so to me trafie and the Bobo Kwani dey at the old ladies of Italian soccer Juventus said to me at the point na game no corner we and teniye 1-1 and as some match no to me ko wie ya na say nya sem kuma Abrante ni dey Dusan Vlahovic the debutant goal no and UEFA Champions League no Abrante to me ball edema aye Juventus amoso nya early lead no 31 seconds teniye Abrante no the first UEFA Champions League game at the Juventus no it taking 31 seconds and Abrante no enso timi the ball goal at the Juve na so antentam Abrante ni dey at the Dani Pajero enso timi take no at the Villarreal team na some match no so timi ko yeya yere ama etie for na ko PM Stamford Bridge Chelsea 4 and no that na just say kunimdie etima ko at the amom kwadwo success u team no in kunimdie timi ko at the Chelsea etima metina fie Stanford Bridge enso etumi Lily Metropole etumi bɔ ne kan mienu ɔno nso no entumi ante Brandon dey enso de Kai Have Apoko Samson and Captain America Brandon dey enso de Christian Pulisic and the kan bako episode ma Chelsea 2-0 and a some match so etumi ko wie ntene zigi ɔde ne nyina beto so de amamo na fenso no ne ametumi akoso kama ere ama eye Chelsea team so no and as a Chelsea fans no na mo so hu ne ekɔ ne pa na matches ne mienu betumi atodwa enya sem kuma tie ne na fenso so sane so ukopie mu dia super enya sem kuma ukopie mu Portugal Estadio de Daluza enya sem kuma Benfica enso ene po ko ne de Ajax ene be po Sanson Spain Wanda Metropolitano no Atletico de Madrid but na 8 p.m. no so Manchester United de Popo team de ya say Poba ba Ronaldo suit Atletico Madrid na say ano ten intene Atletico Madrid so betena fie no so ane Manchester United and so team ball na bibia so no etimi aye kama na super o chesa game na easy super
easy because Ronaldo shego about the matches against we will call did ATM or shego and then super Ronaldo be shego Ronaldo to score better.
Not just an summer no Manchester fans no and so ready to James and that game no and a big game teneno we say a brand Jano Black of a Atletico Madrid team no and also Cristiano Ronaldo and so done in China teneno a Atletico de Madrid and I feel so Manchester United and a side game no as a bosswa a Stadio de Wanda Metropolitano on a side game no and to Cristiano Ronaldo wakasa o chiremo ono a team of Pepa no Atletico Madrid tie o sitting o Selma na ne agero Atletico Madrid esa so po hat-trick ne obo brace no Selma grand finale no the Champions League na the film sana yes na hode na pa interne Cristiano Ronaldo akasa chirem se bon Champions League team o sia na ne gero Atletico Madrid and so ne sama ba ye de to anim ne go piemu Ajax akate onim se no ne Benfica and e Stadio de Daluz Portugal and then Brandon Mohamed Kudus Ghanaian international and also betima chirem ese akran ama Ajax team no into winning summer UEFA Champions League and then so no etwa go meribesi amanane nsam no doso na mum ne accept na fata sa woteno and then so no yetumi area pantina amanane nsam tuba ese me this season also no otumi ba fie na efie nkomo no so no yede empa right commentator and so na timatana se na mum ka say join live on Facebook joining live on Facebook and Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Ukwa like page no tie o search page na wa like it. Come on. Now you say niama so no etima ko so na wa say Saren Escaran o sha na foforo so no enya bia hwe na afin so no o do comment no e dey ato for prediction e bra Manchester United kwa away to Atletico de Madrid. Diego Pablo Simoni the team no ane eye coach and Raf Rangnick and UEFA Champions League for prediction no for tour Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube and so your Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram for no Instagram to send now damn yamono mope Instagram Instagram no and Twitter for no Krobia Santamo Ubano mo Twitter ni adia mono mokwa at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971 now also follow to media na Twitter for prediction for tour na bibi so and koso kama obapa jina papa bi was more fire and confirm team no or their upon Facebook ne dia enso I don't know na opapa cuisine opapa madam Nyamiche and I feel the governor almost on my PM pa or the message apa or see ya PM pa our papa cuisine tino yes no ni chom super
nyame adom zade ni ye azada ye jab na mama o brutal
hey super this year Zia na jab na mama
jab na o brutal
heavy
oh yes we be o be kono be bien pa nkofo so mo ze mo ye na mo ye kama ye nkofo no mo ye o mo ye u ko no ma ye ama no o mo ye kama pa Say no be
but the end of that way.
Me Viato.
Oh, the Premier League Viato.
When the Madrian Cosso. Tama ye na. O starting Crawford and na me the tour. And sen ke the tour say but eno na nyi as a.
Oh, okay.
Obende.
That's say you be a come.
Oh, nyame atom ya ho den. As a Bible trokronkron no. Yes, Bible akan Bible ho meti ba ko nchichemu dunsia. Yes,
Bible bi na me compare mo asem ko biza nse na what to say. Na oni mu ayo de ma me. Hwema ni mu as krache. Ada wo hwema me te huche ma. Now hey, I don't know what some na.
Oh yes.
I saw the ate. Me don't ma me na it say. I say krache. Ada wo hwema me te huche mu.
Azemo duba. Nyeze but obende. Komo bebre wo.
Isemo yesisi akasa.
Asi akasa o si o down o
Come yesterday.
50 goalkeepers. But so what is all the less 50 goalkeepers?
Masa, man, olele no nya sebe ni se mu no kika no. Ye ni break obo World Cup qualify o to na kika nzama
15 goalkeepers no so monitor.
Ene ye kwa AFCON ye kwa AFCON no onim say 15 goalkeepers we obi.
Yes, dabi.
Masa ya chasa level no. Ono kura do wache o Black Star wo.
Super Edin.
Olele no wache. The Black Star Management Committee no. Ene keto kire komo ye no mo pam olele cause wa bon a coaching in terms of goalkeeping our bon. Yes, the time I'm watching I know yeah, but all coaching as a Black Star goalkeeper yes. Wa bon anya de obun pamono. If you are from bra.
Obende.
Tisuba.
Asia kasa and to joining live for Facebook. Omba no ma share no ma comment na bia so itimi akwa. Tisuba, for me to near komra.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Woman for Fishermantia so Jimedian so information it family so Okoman Radio 97.1 joining live for Facebook Okoman no share wa comment na wa mafo so hu ne ekone ne ba hon koma so enya fedia grand senator so ya bobo no se Pythagoras se wo fia no nya de se so kato anya tete yometino the writer commentator Santi Corporation in the Palmcotiasis in the Stosian Samna Center Pa from free Ayaga Kakachi Andra and I'm paid for Adabatu just saying Yamiatuma Okopimo 4th of March 2022 wo kwanteni house of folk about nafie non a crop bia Kumasia Samtura Kwadia Rentam so our the president Kappa a home commercial and your Fidiagro Kai so as a 2019 number Rentam so our cross post the Mama Bo Kwa team at the crop bia Kumasia Samtura it may win by 2 goals to 1 na a home commercial and your Fidiagro Nyamiatuma 4th of March 2022 president up Bobo Kwati area so folk about nafie non a crop bia Kumasia Samtrako at the Rentam so 6 p.m. Friday and a game no better ja yet your own come so at the amas in a tier for ne Bobo Kwantini house of folk to me at the young of I can see back home at the Rentam so one more time at on Saturday Fair Bobo Kwati at the Police National FC at the Rentam so that game no ever new year now house of folk it may win by 3 goals to 0 Police National FC one so amo to me sima da braka a home come so no enya for the agrokai so esa nyame atoma Saturday memenda Bobo Kwantini Legon City Batanafie noni house of folk the Rentam so no Ghana Premier League week 18 second round one share na bibia so no tumi akonkanya ye top exclusive ni latest no e dia match ni tie for Okoman Radio 97.1 and chair ana penifo erba ja ese okopiema na oratin audio tuato Chrisutin Sasuna Masu Titi Dramani oratin George Boateng womum enability Black Stars ahead of a game against Bobo Kwati added the Super Eagles of Nigeria exclusively latest Boboapa and say Abang Ajatum as a Otuoto Chrisutin Masu Titi Dramani and you ranting not the George Boateng woman and trying to be Biasu Timian Konkanya Yeti and home commercial Edia Banti Super Ukopiema yes Abang Ajatum Kama Abanya dia tumkama papa se empinifo a ye pa omo no ebehwe na bibia so no etimi akonkanya yete ye ho komo so no e de banatie we mame se Black Stars ya me atom na se yetumi qualify ekokopia mu awo yetumi se Nigeria Ghana ye benya 12 million tie ye benya 12 million eno ne se Ghana ye qualifier ye benya 2 million no from the World Football Governing Body so and FIFA preparation fee no be 10 into kaninia boma eno be 12 into Ghana nyame atom na yetumi qualify ekokopie mu anase ye Nigeria home and away na yetumi ekopie mu awo World Cup ebinya 12 million e de ato ya ta so panti eno ene nkoma kra ebobo ba yeti Emma Geneti for sia giant ekroma no eba eye enkrofo mumum kakra omkasaba super ode yembo owrantie de eye Mr. Nyaho Tamakro ode nkoma kra de aba house of Pobimano amafa twen che ese Pobimano da ben eno bewie Dr. Nyaho Tamakro ade nkoma we ade ejaye
Okoman is a project in progress, and I can assure them that very soon they'll see a new academy of Accra House of Food.
And we are Kobakro Rating, are Dr. Nyaho Tamakro Wadiaba, Yadi Emma Senator for Kofumenu Bru, a Cromano, a bar and Crofua, a bar law, football more poppy, Untuminu Engine Saint Chain. Now, Unim Saint Chain House of Folk, Sania Brantia team, Eri Sule Ali Muntari. Na Sule Bayano, now Brantia team, Adi Manonete, Bono no se Jesse no 10, Eri Mabu Quanti, Eri House of Folk, Jesse no 10, a Brantia di Manonati. Eja Jason no 10 to eno fi bobo kunu Sule Bayano and Ampin4 SAI Sule Abadia as Jason no 10 on the manner Kofumenu blue as Dabida Yanyanesa.
House of Folk registered Emmanuel 90 at the beginning of the season, gave him a number 10 jersey, which by law should last for him to the end of the season. Somewhere along the line he lives. Then you register Sule Muntari within the middle of the season. 10 jersey used by a player is allocated to Sule Muntari. So now, how do you reconcile registered players and their numbers of House of Folk from the beginning of the season and the middle of the season? These are issues you do not need to go anywhere to see say this. Sometimes when say the hierarchy of the Ghana Football Association now, they don't end. They say they have decided say Bibia anything can go. One farmer cannot Obia exercise this, you cannot immediately allocate it to another person within the season. So you must create another. After all, every Mamu registered 30 players from the beginning of the season. So the numbers will be from 1 to 10. So be a free man. You come and join and bring somebody into the 30 list. Number 31, so why would you want to go back and take 10? And Ghana football, no. Me, I think it's an anti-president. These things will not happen.
Super.
Massa.
Okay.
Why do you even bring question and teaching this? See, the common sense of it is simple.
Okay.
I mean, say you register players in the first round.
In the first round, yes.
And first round in the corner,
yes.
And I say registration of players in the first round corner, Yes, I'm to register another player.
Yes, so be a transfer
players
window.
again. Yes, for second round.
Yes.
Emmanuel Neti. Now first round I know.
Oh yes.
Second round no new.
Yes.
It's just number 10
yes.
It's the second round now you register. You register Sule Muntari.
Yes. In the second round
yes. It's the number 10 no Ama Sule Muntari. You register number 10 no Adi Ama Sule Muntari in the second transfer window.
Yes, in the name of Sule Muntari. Not the name of Emmanuel Neti.
Because say you're from 1 to 30. Now didn't say you're for 31 man. It doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Number 10 only by not saying the first round no. You turn 15
okay.
Who opportunity to register another player in the second round.
Okay.
Into registering the player in the second round, no I feel say just win am the manner ebe ya na the mano. Anyway we create to swap justice. Ocha Barcelona.
Sure.
Felipe Coutinho no say 7 start of the season no say 7. And Dembele say 11. Edubiri be Coutinho ko no Dembele abefa 7 no Aubameyang your friend say Adama Traore buy no.
Yes.
Adama Traore abefa jersey number 10. And 11. Dembele no crampo so that say den. So whatever he's saying, we munina di football anymore. Super emfa. You didn't have why do you bring 9:30 in this? As a say condemn me but this thing will be an issue.
It is no issue. Ya chechim. See super fan is your see agasa. See prophecy ja o say odaho. Oh, vision 1-2, but we win it clear. First one we win ye. Second one we win us. Papa yesterday na me win. And I also who declare third one in the say or the hot no say Black Stars of Ghana one more book game no more ban no mama light off no more
we say tiemio na hu say Ghana e bobo na bo ni ebo no ye bo no sun ne sun so na ne ebo no ne nsuo park ye bo so and me hu say Ghanaian place nta bo na hyehyɛ won I am bobo bi say the di call from no rubber kukuruku e kosisa ma la di ni no 1 2 3 no sampresa na presa na mimi shuru Okoman radio yam shishime na sound shuru say Ghana ebo match na wo as a spiritual person na unko for bobo usun normal boot the bobo say normal boot no one say adane the way mistake no isuma me myself me my the chair wallet me yam shishime
Suba asini yam shisheno only 3 times see ano
on see a doom light on so see a doom light suma ba on so kan ane
there be we say your spiritual things
say na me say physical thing na me
okay
so see a doom kan ya
yes
ohun mo ton so
okay
so can obi touch bi ya
yes no cry be
ya
but obende
see no so waja football
that's now me the vibes you na me say see person no din come about so on kasa
also waja football prophet
yes but
then
baby esa den dia ba
last time ni din come
also has the on
waja last time na
vika kra
no go view
you no go view Suba Ghana Premier League no near total games on boy 153 penalties ebe mu 49 red card 18 fastest hat-trick Brantia Bright AJ and player with most hat-trick 2 Brantia did it Frank Mbella Ituga and goalkeeper clean sheet pa Brantia did it Idrisu of Bechem 90 44 referees and did the Ghana Premier League first round and 9 coaches and womu fee various clubs 10 coaches and maintain 34 coaches involved in the league and most MVP no 112 into winning come across Ghana Premier League guys over the weekend matches matches on also folks so and there on a police national every time so some three team ni pa because Andra super feel
police national some more league ni bia
na but say at least friendly game on say friendly games na
prepare friendly game
some make say friendly game so ba want
game
so mo ba yon me so mo ayon go fucking see
okay
and now me kasa no ntrant no sa
oh dey mate
kendi ano come olele e dey abetudwa ese likely esa Brantia Deni Sule Ali Muntari ebinya collab to the Black Stars ahead of
so my catch so ntia me say olele yam pamu no yo Sule na kasa nye onokra wo onoko odwen no on kasa of the Black Star Sule kran kasa of the Black Star already
Zuba oh
T Sule yen so be on Black Star ni na ajimu
okay
Sule Black Star ni na ajimu
okay
the focus crowd to folk and Black Star no retire from the Black Star obia no obia na obia say Sule be Black Star
okay
and Kroma na ye kura me am tie me prema Sule mo Black Star
okay
ben ka so wasa performance no yes the level no and I say the age no bo betuma obo na obo no the ball no obo no in deserve Black Star color
okay
the ball no obo no yes obo ye no heart no ko oyade obo ye but Black Star no do wareta kura no kura so wareta olele ne am say brade ono njini ni goalkeeping problem ayo Kroma goalkeeping problem yo Black Star jojo wakot mo be chia ura be jina ka say o di Sule beba Sule who your coach o ye goalkeeper trainer dream goalkeepers abe pe dem Black Star ho onja na nto asa na ogo jina say ono Barcelona no pa coach no
Harrison so penfoni di nkomo Harrison afo woman need din come say next call up no be Black Star against Nigeria
so one dem aka say right back na dey omebo
okay
ne Andy Yado mo boy dey Harrison for be am na bro so
yes the next call up no need din bet me
because be my
yes
because Andy Yado no don to me about 35 minutes no abre wasa
ready no crown say that
wasa Andy Yado wasa
okay abanya dia tumo
say
coaches no mu ye no mpene for the coin no yes o ma
Chris Utene Otuado
yes Masu Didi Dramani ni
George Watten
yes o ma dia tum eno no
say o mo Nigeria game no
yes o mo Nigeria game no onye say o mo ya point on pem da
o da say nim say Nigeria game na no mbebo Otuado na dawo
ho fe pa Otuado na do no
no Your boy your World Cup qualifying. Every so now don't want more match.
So more match. I'm a match. Every do no more game.
November. And the Benya Kwamba.
Tell us you come Rangers or moon. This week so on to qualify. Was
it last week or share 6? Or share 6.
Oh, share 6 no different from Europa League.
Okay.
Europa League now bo. This Uba, my face, I am do be on monitor show from afar. I'm joining live for Facebook. Nah, be any
senior Edukweku dia pa. I say watching live from McGee's.
McGee's.
It's a Methodist Girl Senior High School.
McGee's. Then I want to
man feel grapim. Yes, so I say ane ni students and mani BSc.
Okay.
Omo nyina ehye.
Wow.
Teachers no our staff common room man no titiri.
Wow.
Also ehye.
Ye chiomo.
McGee's
teachers no.
Club ya there. Yes. Me nyina not visit McGee's pa.
Yes. You be quest question.
Oh, that
be at least no.
Oh, quest question.
Oh, but
focus on there. Students na wo. No. Senior Edukweku also share live from McGee's, I just say. I say by now, one boy them say only lesson. Into no, a man and the teachers and man, share. I don't know. I join your live on Facebook. Join your live on Facebook. Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube. I say Okoman Radio 97.1. I mean, Gladys, I know. Yes, Pewasempa, Gladys. Yes, but over pa no. I mean, no show no pa. Ati ase na menchia Agnes Oforiwa Edu ene Paul Brown munyina so mo monitor show no from afar na ensu nyame ye du chrome o ma biem a yes o choba bi se o ma biem pa o mu tie dwumadi no o mu abribia na Okoman Radio bribia me hu so ma ye fi order na menchia na menchia o papa na menchia mommy so e wo ye Pentecost no so etime biem a ama for monitor show no ntino no krobia sante krobia ama akwaba
ya eke
bia kama
obadi ada
na wa se tuntum yi
yes
ada
tuntum ye my favorite color pa oh yeah okay tuntum pa de ene eba ne ntade shemu ahunfa su ne yen wedia
black
okay me pe papa
say bia kama
mi chare
ya ba me buy na me say ko assignment kaka buy na obere kasa bisa me say mini ade say bia time the phone see ni
one share mo
obere say no see na ni
na won bisa Tony dey
omu bisa ai mami
abai we ya what way yeah
ani na ya kama say mi ko boni di na Atu nya fina ni shwa misa. Ono a prime suspect. A prime suspect.
And you should mu just say Accra Sports Stadium or go
be. Ebi sule phone.
So versus Angrofo phone there just
sule phone ayira no. A prime suspect pa.
Sa. Ba oba de no wo de no count dem boa. Ya de obetumi aye.
Me say no the way me buy ya. O me bisa asem o sere twa me na me say no obetumi atamasi. O rough. A prime suspect. Oh yeah, prime suspect. Yeah.
Will be future.
But man, if me phone lines no friend. I bet Chelsea for the almost our friends. But Krobia, you mentioned the UEFA Champions League and rather Chelsea winning at Stamford Bridge 2-0 against Lille Metropole. Now Villarreal and so any Juventus a poor one. So I give me a share. It was an interesting game. Danny Pereo, Edia Gropa Papa. Duvan Vlahovic, the debut game in the Champions League, Juventus, just 31 seconds. Pa! Now Branton have go. You share no games and you share no matches.
Well, okay, yeah, Mobi be a very good afternoon. You share it for you, baby, will be ano. You share mona any ransono, me catch and say, Endra, me fa baby. Inti amame time ame buy na dia santi na want men kan to better
ayi on say na edukrom so ayi bright chopper
okay
bright chopper
okay
o me bie mu pa
we edukrom
yes ucha station wo fuko we ni ko ni fa kona no so anu stand fa so okay bright chopper Omo biem papa obi o bi heavy.
Great.
Ohwe ma no sankwan na. Hey, amafo ni nkwan sa okrom a o.
Omo
biem
pa. Me banso na house 4. Uncle no mo ene womugum.
Okay, house 4.
Womugum. Okay. Biem musa.
Ana go for courage man say yeah. Chimkwan. Me no chimkwan you
go biem baby.
Bright chopper.
No, okay. Intend
no biem no. Omo heavy. Omo heavy pa. Guy no wo fufu no. Guy no fufu no hwe meti o de wa abotre kwan so no de wo fufu no. Nti no be kona ye say afi pa kwesi no se waja fufu di. Edu wo na
fufu ni dia di.
When manager no fa kwesi no okoi do ndi fufu. Na fa kwesi so si waja fufu di. Na see you what you do wa. Manager ajinu fufu ne ade obi ajere de ya. Fa kwesi ja kan. Dabi mintumi anazo medi fufu. Fa kwesi so de afufu ko ji fufu.
Wa je ya ko di.
It's a bright chopper. Yeah, you chom we papa work at ni nyina na obi o obi a nchom yin se mo monitor so no nyankopon chira mo pa nchira mo. Kwabia.
Yeah, okay. Yanko games are and right to me a course so the UEFA Champions League second week the second round of the round of 16 games are here but second week in I think say and then you be to me a week no cry but and first two games it to me a course so the Stamford Bridge Chelsea come the French champions defending champions Leo it to me eba ebpm and yebetena ha ekeken bia fine previously na their last two meetings in the group stage 2019 na Chelsea to me win two-legged games in nyina no mo win 2-1 so coming into Endra game with momentum na Chelsea ede ba former na womo agada na womo de ba in all competition na Chelsea above 15 games without a single loss womo to mean lose a game in 16 appearance and womo to me are proud to Endra game na elkoso ntina womo form ye papa womo de eba besia lila for no honomo and okay I think say 90 minutes free flowing football aye to me a share and as expected from Leo womo low block womo be making sure so womo soak the pressure from Chelsea team anyhow womo approach then womo use the likes of Bamba and Jonathan David womo pace womo want to counter the three back at Chelsea airborne whenever this center backs a best surge forward to support the attack of Chelsea team but I think say Chelsea I said they are defending champions to competition board the Champions League experience wise any character any Bibiano was in their favor and one to me make sure say set up any Thomas Tuchel to me to me ebo team ama womo so to me enya the needed resource na womo enso ehia ehoroma at the end of the day wo to me enya that 2 goals from team my friend Chelsea Christian Pulisic and Kai have to me ebo those goals edema and Abrante friend Romelu Lukaku arrested and after the game womo bisa opening na some other two gun say it was a high intense game and of which Abrante friend Romelu Lukaku yenyina ye betumi testify to the fact say he is not that kind of attacker who betumi the one ball these games especially a team who defend in low blocks it will be very useless because always be one way very compact away so you alone are be jawa to anyone I think it will be very very hard for a striker like Romelu Lukaku no more caliber so we to me penetrate a goal and area duels to Abrante friend Jose Fonte share the height of Jose Fonte then again young chap 22-year-old Steven Botman on also the height so I think it's a area boss then also into me Mboa then Marcos Alonso and Abrante friend Cesar Azpilicueta Tango they are not more like having bench any Rhys James cinema oftenly no one to me as a crossing ball into the box of the opponent half and most of those crosses from these players so a player like Romelu Lukaku thinking about the tactical aspect of the game in favor, and that is why to me a benchy opinion. I think it was a good call. One player na me shade him Sankobe to me as started was Abranta friend Timothy Werner, but getting to the latter part on also be mu ebenya minute be to me a boy ahead of any year call into the weekend game at Ekakobo Carabao Cup final at the Etihad Liverpool. So I think it was a good result for Chelsea. Our man standing one lead, the echo so far. Wait to me, I say 2-0. Be making sure say France at least even a draw crano a bit to me abwa and I say unya 2-1 lose big and I say one share 1-0 cry you stand a chance of qualify. So I think say a bit to me abwa Chelsea my woman so no to me abwa home going forward, and it has been an easy route and pairing for say Womunya Lila Womunya tougher opposition bia in the say 2-0 no a slim for Chelsea going into France be to me a punish I don't think sadly be to me but alright your friend in the Grivenos or to me a yade a bogim set team no the by but I think Renato Sanchez and Brandon Shedanye fully fit. I said it before the game, but he had a fantastic game. The first 60 minutes to me boy, first half from 20th minute to 45 minutes he was excellent. Then the start of the second half, the first 15 to 20 minutes in or back game and the form to me a call for my change. I think non Shedanye fully fit. This in the game for couple of months in the way to me about higher minutes or in that particular game. So I think they're going forward, some of their players in be available. Be to me ama Chelsea in the second leg, a test par. So okay, no course our Stamford Bridge. I was Spain, Estadio de Ceramica na the Yellow San Marines, Villarreal. Na wamo welcome the old ladies of Italian soccer, Juventus. Na womo ekwaku piemu elho and ye nyina ye hu ejuma Unai Emery ede and the Villarreal team no aye. Let's not forget say this is a side that woman so defending champions so far as Europa League and so aye concerned, and they lifted the trophy and I say they won against Manchester United that particular year last season. I want to me a trophy so woman so no Europe no oba nekito anima womo so womo ye European champions ni bi elho no mo elho anti womo modern bono and so womo equally good players on any day womo betumi apanish just like womo nya teams be top A-list teams ni bi emboy but they are very 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 good side individual players womo wono coming together our build that solid Spanish play no between them no I think say womo are very very good. Talking of Abrante friend Pau Torres, Ubenya, the Ubenya fi Abrante friend Matthias Delete, Manuana Ubenya fi Pau Torres mu, then Raul Abiol, experienced defender, our partner with Ubenya Pedreza, our Sinaka Argentine national team, our non morning bono Esweni. Then wine for it from last season, he's been very good for Villarreal side, and then they know on also to me method of and they know Ibora, Vincent Ibora. Any Danny Parejo or no Sabrante no and yet Villarreal nankende was uncombo but players been to me see in the was Spanish national team manase Spain teams talking of Real Madrid and Barcelona that time Abrante friend of Parejo will be to me in Madrid and I say Barcelona abono was the time and Barcelona ewo Xavi, Iniesta, Busquets, then Madrid ewo Casemiro, Toni Kroos any Abrante friend Luka Modric and ebe din ye pass over to me penetrated to this midfield and on am Abrante and on bono and shada and you but he's one particular player on any day midfield or men try into I think say Juve start ye by getting the goal from Abrante Ayefreno Vlahovic in the first minute, but I think say woman so to me step it up at that Spanish play no to me by having more of the ball I feel comfortable to say womunya the equalizer late I know to me a secure my point, and I think say experience wise any everything or a positive results for any Juventus. I want to call into the game and I want to miss a lot of their players, especially one creator your friend Paulo Dybala. So I think say in the second leg I'm hoping to see Juventus side that will be to me the ultimate win over team my friend of Villarreal. But in all, I think there was a good game and running to me a witness here in the second round of the Champions League round of 16 games.
Okay, enti krobia na motene kano ene wasugu so awuti Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Global Sports and we uti no betima journey and live on Facebook on Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube and so Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter Instagram ni at Okoman 971 Jojo Dro at about on Facebook or say good afternoon AK. You guys are doing a super fantastic job. Keep it up. And also adding in there Abba on Facebook. Samson are waiting a message Abba. I say, AK, don't worry yourself. Ghana won't get it. I'm funny Dean and count. Mr. Oh, send a message now. And I do Dean any baby out the film and so no at me at the account. Way at the about say, AK, God richly bless you. Hannah from a cropon. Hey, Hannah Ben no. Say Hannah minimum DNA say that's it. This is Small London. Thank you very much. Hey, you see that's it. And as on messages as you have Krobia the overseer. Oh, you sure Krobia. You sure game no 5 minutes. Pe na young question some Asia Jan and so they are to draw HDMA. Onudio Ohu say Ghana be qualify in terms of World Cup qualifiers. I know the Bahu Mafema. And yeah, do say Ghana be qualify. Never shall see answer. But quick one, I want a games and also Ajax quite away to Benfica. Samson Manchester United and so Spain to play Atletico Madrid. You train games where Simanum.
Yeah, okay. Benfica this season one more to me a ball home in the Champions League. One more a ball round of 16 of the 2021-22 UEFA Champions League and. Very good for them because so far Akawa Money Sporting CP after the exit of FC Porto from the group phase, I think it's Akawa Money Sporting CP. Right now, I can say in Sporting CP, Etumiache said there is no hope at the Maomo and Portuguese football. Woman to me to 10 the results in Manchester City so 80-90% say we are out of this year's UEFA Champions League in Muno and so secure one more echo and ya dia won't to me I share so aka Benfica one more coming against Ajax the Dutch champions are one so eba. Okay, Ajax this season I think say one more to me about home and their striker Brandt Feno Sebastian Haller only the goalkeeping charts and I said top scorers I want more the Champions League this season only do with 10 goals I think say ne modern bono to me asonia or the goals ne Emma Wong Brandt Feno Dusan Tadic added the creativity aspects the team then again Anthony and so Eddie Ejumano the assist the cuttings everything and so Ebwa so attack any one day and as Ajax one more any one day another one more attacking force very 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 strong and opponent be I say to me a prepare year for them these three players on any day you cannot prevent them from scoring so I think say Womunya a very good run in the group stages then here one more echo Estadio da Luis na one more Benfica ekakobo I think say Benfica and so experienced players this time we share game a woman Barcelona to me a boy in the group phase a woman's way to me a show quality having a brand here a friend of Ventogen of Tottenham Hotspur Otamendi Argentine national team from Manchester City experienced players and one more Abrante Bakwa or a very very good year per Abrante Nunes one players are one so Ajax on any day one to be to me punish this is a side I think the one more a game of equals but with Ajax they were one more that high pressing game tiki taka game I think they will be very hard for Benfica and say will be to me keep hold of especially one more bought three back and that three back in who can age boom I think that baby money na manoding Ventogen and Otamendi Nkwano and nam 60 to 70 years these two players so I think that one more modern bonnet a bad thing so to me soki the pace from a brand friend Anthony Sebastian Haller Dusan Tadic class and no more it will be very hard for them but I think a game no quick I think that both teams to score for any Estadio da Luis Benfica bet to me a goal
But yes, one more attacking trial, it will be very, very difficult for any other defense to prevent them from scoring in 90 minutes. So, one more to me go, but my mema a slim 2-1 win for Benfica. And as Dabi Ayas beat me 2-1. Akoye Ekotenia, Nejes, a man for Vegas in Noma.
Ajax, we are
Benfica 2-1.
Wow. But
yes.
Go.
A scoring win a bet to me about.
Okay.
A go. A possibility to say a bet to me a scoring draw. But if there could be a win, sir. But if there could be a winner, slim victory. And for my Ajax, they say 2-1.
Wow.
And for my Ajax, it was a particular game, you know. Okay, Wanda Metropolitano, I think say Cristiano Ronaldo or no anoye Manchester United, you know, woman need that's why one they call into this particular game. And a player during the days of Spain, where to me I said 25 goals at the 8-year Atletico Madrid team, you know, I think say or you're very, very instrumental whenever we share any Atletico Madrid. Then again, in the Champions League, Papa, a friend, Diego Simeone, the manager for Atletico Madrid, I can several times say, if not Cristiano Ronaldo, the days at Real Madrid, and by now, on the Atletico Madrid team, they win close to 3 Champions League titles, and to me 3 Champions League titles, and anka so far to me and on only believe say a one single player. And it to me prevented that entire team Atletico from winning the Champions League for 3 times. I don't know if you say that years. Obeka year semi-finals. Now one more from yepa Cristiano Ronaldo. Then again 2 finals. One team my friend Madrid ko eni nyina wo to me a Lucy trophy no. And opening no je to me say a branch a friend of Cristiano Ronaldo and to me prevent Atletico from winning all these 3 trophies. Woman to me come to Real Madrid. You know, I think that he's one particular player. Spanish team no enim ni Atletico team no especially enim ni most of the players Atletico Ukraine 70 to 80 players are woman nyina Asia Abrante a friend no Cristiano Ronaldo and Diego Simeone enim ni pa. So we are going to rely on Diego Simeone ejumobe to me to prevent Abrante friend Cristiano Ronaldo from scoring against him. And Nemo Demboa or Bono. So far, Ronaldo, I think say and yet to say the anayenim from 2015, 16, 17, and no punish Atletico over the Champions League semi-finals and the finals in. So I think that on your new view, but on any day, who Cristiano Ronaldo. I think the umano chances be me and say to me ashe me enu ediamawa wo mo betu me aye ne ho ejuma to prevent him. Savage any Jimenez players are womunim ni pa Sasco in Ronaldo Lodi and I say that Mozambique branch okofa ni Felila January no de bebo Ronaldo and de bebo I think say wo mo be very compact or honomo Koke Marco Llorente players are women available for selection. Joao Felix last weekend to me Eshego Luis Suarez was on target as well. Then Abrante Freno Angel Korea. These are players one move to me torment Manchester United defense. You know, I will edge Diego Simeone and 108 style of play. No, I think so. Obe sticky to on also low block so be use to counter attack and with Joao Felix any. Korea especially Luis Suarez unshare that pace from him again, that speed, that high intensity of plays. It will be taking on players. It will be very hard always obekechiri. But with these 2 players, I may expect to cause problems to any Manchester United defense. You know, Korea and who Felix obey to me obey to me because they are going to do away without Abrante Freno Yannick Ferrara Carrasco. And I think that these players obey to me Jumano. With Ralph Rangnick, I think so. Obekon the usual 4-3-3 and only 4-2-2-2. No, I to me a bono. But when you quite very good results be in recent games, on also to me abo, and they will go away to Metropolitano. Say we will be to me a positive result at the aba in the Old Trafford. The best for them. Say we will be to me a year it to me at least a draw, if not. The maximum win and I said 3 points are be to me a draw away now back home wait to me about your homework here then wait to me the ultimate winner a bit to me a push you to the next stage of the competition. So I think woman so Eddie Nkomusa atra, especially having Ronaldo in their team. Okay, a bad thing ye pa.
Predict
yes, a bad thing ye pa. But Manchester United they honor to me actually and say on any day one more consider go. And one more nim one so no and say Daniel convincing. Ushe goes a one more share recently 1-0, 1-0, 2-1, now one benya 3B against Leeds. One more to me I share 4 goals. But at least, you know, a team I want more open. Now, you are not going to get that from Team Freno, Atletico Madrid.
Into prediction.
Okay, my Atletico win 2-1.
2-1 for Atletico Madrid. But definitely Manchester Beshe.
Manchester United Beshe go. But my Atletico 2-1. A game I know so you both team. And the game the best I will be to me on passing both team to score.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And no call be a Santano no answer the Bebasi and 7 so I brand no call but my man answer phone line so 0551 667755 0551 667755 which my fraba and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 UEFA Champions League and I feel so no ocean sama Sia Jan area to judge Chima and ya dear Ghana a bit to qualify to the World Cup. Mami Fu Biwa hello. 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 Majo dini baby afrefi. Shadan Tenenka. Hello. Okay, super. Unshana Unyana on San Frebium 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971. Hello. Hello. Zuba still maintaining ka. Hello. Okay, still na maintaining ka. And you know, bit my fra about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Krabia yanche siajan nse wadi atujwa. I say whom we are saying. And ya do say Ghana be qualify ahead of Nigeria.
Okay, I think that though you're prepared for the game, but early days yes. And in football, me. Yeah.
Mami Phil, you are.
Hello.
Hello. Fire ni.
Hello.
Udini baby afrefi.
From Samuel, me kase fi Manfie Kwapim, Oforowa Junction.
Samuel Manfie boko.
Na me adum boko.
Bacho menti we.
Oh, na mo ade na Ghana for biti sa.
Ghana for bia ide.
Na yen yeko na World Cup ni akwa bre mu je ni de na ma na ba, bet na bibi funa na ye sanka yen wo enuanom no so sanhye. Adna yisu bankrate sa.
Ai den.
Be bompa ni nso yetuma kwan animu. Na obi so gina ba bi no ka nsem en wo so ka. Se ye qualify. Obi aka se qualify se den. Ye ko na ba ye nyina ye ndia. Nso no ye be kana nyina aboye ye nyina na obi gina ba bi no se ho.
Sami
tuma ya kura tidenia.
Sami mesrel Sami uti
blaster de World Cup no be tuma akwa qualify dia cup na ba.
Okay, and here Sami from Manfi. I don't know so afra but Sami si ajan those ni onu wo hu no. Ni onu wo hu hu mi asiche wanya de Ghana e betima qualify. Ti bia na Sami so no won ni wo hu and say Ghana be qualify. Now so they to Ghana bia. And so I come go bia.
Yeah, okay.
You're just 2 minutes na yenko.
Yeah, I think the Sankrofi wo mu to me kasa and last AFCON I boy cry in a certain Nigerian prophet Obeka say we we say Egypt number 10 jersey and then number 22 jersey never won this but number 10 no left up the trophy.
Number 22 no come first half na film.
It just say Ghana go investors nyina kojite loan the nyoma nyina into me amfa. So I think that me sa nyoma we me one particular personal minjindi wo football say football party minjindi ubetu mi ayade ede etia player no unua no but I think
that Mami Phil bi
Hello.
Good afternoon, Dini baby afrefi.
Good afternoon, Nana Yaiboa.
Nana ya boy my into we. O frefi. Okay, Adukru. Okay, my into.
Ulele. It's the woman ya breno. Ghana have keepers wa. Akofo bia wono da team bia hu hia ba me ye nu kwase. It's the woman yem pempeni yem pe keepers omi good. Yem fo ko wake up. Onyan didi na wo ye. Yem kam ho no dum mo.
Okay, Nana ya yes ya da say utimi efre ebai ebrenoko me fa last go into the bar na afa 0551 667755 0551 667755 fa last call na EDC na Jumedi aka no etuma to aso krobia.
So I think say anya de benya effect anya de benya effect bia e wo Black Stars so and sa nyoma we no e ye wo dai bi na waso afine we chire bia yes but I don't think say benya effect if say Ghana ye tutun ye niama yie said ye te say football ekwa there is nothing edru hwi bia niwa e betumi asesa
so no nke edru asam ye
yes ana me say ye den adio say say what to tun nioma yie say what to tun nioma yie said yet say football enko now who follows up pepe now players in terms of commitment passion that fighting spirit now we chances now take care. I don't think say BBA to me stop Ghana from and Qatar 2022 and we shouldn't forget say sometimes Ghana ain't qualified na nipani bi eni bejini nyina no ekebedu baby ye be hia bragging rights ebedu baby ubekwa ko hia Nigeria ni bia obedu ho ubemu say ho na wunyan ya we say aden as ada ikura na me support say Ghana be lose this particular game so sometimes we shouldn't forget about anyoma way every be ban na nka wunyan ya nka Nigeria ye wo mo pasa so I still believe say but me I still believe say okay say the nyoma eto akwem say dey say football nko say dey bia ye cry say ye mpanifo ne be ye na dey insusuan so pa be ban. If Sanyoma Nina comes into play, it will be very, very tough for the even Nigerians. You say one more run our against Ghana. No?
Okay, and then crowd be asante no. Ebia na Ghana ye mwa ye hu ye ni players papa no. And then come in and yamie ye chere si aze uni players papa. Then ya there you be to qualify. Obi aba ho so ma me fa na enfa dwuma die ni. Hello. Good afternoon, Bacho. Dini baby afrefi.
Bacho afema bina na kasese koko.
Abna kasafie kropom pacho me ntio
pacho ntio afofo nse eliana fo e qualify yen ni den
so no aka na den ti Ghana ya tutu ye ni e qualify
oye serious ka sam na Ghana fa na won jai unya ya de se utim support e time tin se utim ka cancel the break no ndamasi
abna yes that say so to be free by abna chinuma si anjai sansem no keka no unjai keka sa si aso ni ozo dia wo no enti no eno so no bia right to know opinion bia right to opinion so tia say onu ya wo ana wa che na adwen enti eno so eno no ye de dwumade ni nyina abesi ene ye de dwumade ni nyina abesi breko ye de besi enti ya producer ozo me fa no me fa okay bo fra ma frantem asebo hello enti me nyina so enko yenvensi na za na wa frantem eza bre na yedi adwuma adaroma enti yedi nyina besi nyame pechna e wa beto aso na ekue amintia bright chopper ewe dukrom bright chopper ewe dukrom a o ma biem pa mo monitor show no yentia adwuma efo ni nyina o ma didi wo nyina didi na enko mo ho hwem kwan so atari so na do fie dia yere do be nyanti no Yerwesi na vese ya mfechina to us about Madam Nyamiche one the governor aminchiamu eye ewie papa Madam Nyamiche onkra no mate meba na finso yenchu bibia executive producer Ora Kofi Hanson Balfour producer extraordinaire Nana Kofi Okarajeman and our DJs Gibie ebo on social media etimi chegu Facebook YouTube Twitter and our Instagram Tony Montana and so let me a boy chudom hey Donzi sansona and vibes enya a boy and another damn writer commentator ede fisem a bana fenzo krobia asante and so no oterenka so no so eden chichemu a baye midin and so eden Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi so betimi afreme eke ya me pechna e be 1 p.m. na fenzo no Okoman Global Sports eden sama kenyina etimi aba
this is our own let's cherish our own Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back. Oh no,